All right, another trade setup on oil. So we have this consolidation. It broke to the upside, came down and retraced 100% and more, and then broke below the low of pre-market. So we had a break below here where this price initially pushed up pretty quickly. Around the 62 level, and once it broke down there, you see that retest right there on that green candle bar, and that's where I shorted around the 62. I actually got in a little bit around the 64 once it started showing some momentum, and then now it broke the previous low from earlier. So I'm looking to see some more downside here if this thing holds to the 44.13 at least as my initial target, possibly the 44.2. So we'll see what happens. So I had 4 contracts. I'm out now. One I scaled out here at the lows, and I'm looking to see if this thing has any more further downside from here. So my main thing is, I mean, it has broken below the low value area, but the main thing is the context here, where it had a nice long move yesterday on Friday, consolidated over here, broke above it, consolidated below it, and then finally pushed down from there. So for me, any buyers here probably in the red, so I could see sellers starting to really take over the market here. So that's my trade on oil today. Okay, and we'll see how long this thing will go. But again, I plan on exiting here at the previous highs. Previous peak right here that broke out of. Probably see some stalling there, and if you look over to the left, there was a lot of consolidation in the price area last week Friday. So we really need to see some momentum to the downside to see this thing, show any continual movement. So we'll see how this thing goes right now, because right now, if you look at the moving averages, it's kind of sideways. So it could have gone up and now hit the lows and then reverse from here again. So we have to be very careful about that. As long as this low here at 44.46 holds, this thing has further downside there. And what I'll do is, as this thing starts to move down, if I have any runners left, I'll move my stop down to about that 44.46 level to see if if it does reverse on me as it moves down, then I can at least lock in a few ticks there. So that's the plan. I just want to show you me getting into a trade and why I got in there, and that's it for oil. I just had 2 big runs on gold from yesterday and today, so this is just kind of an extra bonus for me having this trade right here. So with that said, go ahead and I'll pause the video, and when I do scale out and everything, I'll end the video with a summary and how many ticks that we made on that. Okay. Alright, so I'm back. Filled another order. I'm down to only 2 contracts left. Filled another order down here at the 32. Like I said, once it breaks, really the next levels is going to be down here in the 44.13 to 44.20s. So we'll see what happens within this range. You did have this real, big upside, and now it's reversing. So this thing could accelerate pretty hard. Once it kind of breaks past this consolidation area here, really, the next downsides are down here in the 43s. possibly could make another low. So we'll see. Market's been very, very volatile lately. So you see a lot of a move. So I'll go ahead and leave that one here at 44.15, and then probably put another one here at the 44. Actually, you know what? 44.20, just because there is kind of cause for that level right there where it's bounced many times before. And then the next level for me would be at the probably the 44.13 to 44.04. But depending on how it breaks, if it does break 44.20 pretty hard, it'll probably easily get down to the 44.14, 13 area, and then next target would be 44.04 or 5. So go ahead and just put a limit order there, and let's see what happens. Go ahead and pause the video. Alright, I actually just went ahead and scaled out everything right here. Not because I want to miss. I don't think that the target's going to continue moving down. I got other personal obligations and a life to live. So I'm going to go ahead and just end that trade for my third trade today, and we will look to see more opportunities throughout this week. But so far this whole week has been profitable. Every day has been a profitable day. So very, very good week so far. Hope you guys are learning from this stuff. If you have any questions, post it, ask me a question, send me an email, and I'll be happy to answer. All right, guys.